got?
10 out of 10.
Perfect then. Bye guys. Look what we got guys.
Mama!
Kit got a prize because
10 out of 12 piece, of course. I don't know why. Mo yun ah.
Ang sabihin ko?
Ha?
Ang sabihin ko? Sige na magsabi, video ko lang. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Hi! Got a perfect score.
Ano sinasabi mo kay daddy kanina?
And may kasama tong pasalubong ah, kasi I did my best. Okay?